You searched how to buy shares of THX Pharma SACA. THX Pharma SACA is a pharmaceutical company listed on Euronext with the ticker ALTHX.PA, and this is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ALTHX.PA to locate the THX Pharma SACA listing on Euronext. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, and confirm the instrument is the correct ALTHX.PA listing. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes. If you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform.